Hey there, Ellis here with Spindle Digital Agency. Today we're going to talk about moving from your desktop design to a more mobile responsive design and using stacking for elements to help you do that. So you can see I've got this page already built. I've got different sections and text boxes, things like that. And for today's tutorial, I'm just going to focus on this section where I've got a couple of titles and a couple of paragraphs. But you can see when I go over here to my mobile editor, everything's all jumbled and messy and not looking great. Now I can come in here and just drag individual elements, but that's kind of a pain, especially across a whole page. So what we're going to do is we're going to use stacking to help us do that. I have just a couple other things to clean up here very briefly. So I'm going to select this title, hold down Shift, select this other title, and I want those to line up on the left. That's going to be a problem for my OCD. And I'm going to do the same with these two paragraphs. Go ahead and line these up on the left using this multiple elements alignment tool in the upper right hand corner of that editor pane. Okay, now that that's done, what stacking allows you to do is to kind of permanently associate two elements with each other. Like these things need to move together all the time. So to do that, I'm going to select this title again, just one click. I'm going to hold down Shift and I'm going to select the paragraph below it that needs to always be with that, no matter what breakpoint we're on. And I'm going to right click on these and go to stack. Now you see I've got vertical and horizontal stacking. For these, I'm going to do vertically because that's how they need to live. But if you have two elements that consistently need to be side by side, you can stack those horizontally. So I'm just going to go ahead and select vertical here. And what's cool is it groups these together, but it also gives me this little spacer here between these elements that I can adjust the space between those. Now, if you have more to add to the stack, you can do the same thing. I've selected the stack. I'm going to hold down Shift and you can add something to it if you want, right? Add to the stack. So if you've got a picture or whatever, you're welcome to do that. I'm going to go ahead and just stack these two things. Oop, stack. Perfect. Um, and actually, you know what? Let's do this. I'm gonna just make one big mega stack. And with that mega stack, now when I go over to mobile view, these things are laid out the way that they need to be with the spacing that they need to be. And you can see that I can come in here and kind of adjust these little spacers for the mobile version as needed. Now, my titles are not where they need to be. So to end this video, I'm actually just going to go in and make a couple of adjustments there. I'm going to choose my title. I like 32 for mobile for titles. I'm going to do the same thing there. I'm just double clicking those titles, coming over into that editor pane where it says font size and editing that from there. So that is it. Happy hunting. I wish you well in getting from your desktop to your tablet to your mobile design, and I hope that stacking helps you. Remember, if you have any questions, feel free to reach out directly. Take care.